Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread using evaporated milk. This special ingredient helps create a wonderfully rich and moist texture that's hard to beat. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and that key 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Now let's get mixing. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the cornmeal, flour, sugar, and baking powder until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, the evaporated milk, the egg, and the vegetable oil. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir gently until just moistened. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so be careful. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or a standard baking dish. A hot skillet helps create a crispy crust. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the hot pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 16 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The exact time may vary slightly depending on your oven and pan. To ensure your cornbread is absolutely perfect, remember a few key tips. First, never overmix your batter. Stirring just until combined keeps it tender and moist. For that irresistible crispy crust, preheat your cast iron skillet with a tablespoon of oil before adding the batter. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve your golden cornbread warm with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili or stew. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.